Bulky eh.
Sa likod?
Yes, parang Afghan eh. Nandisga.
Oo, sa kwentong barbero yung may car.
Ayan yun. Pag
Arkin, why you look so musmus? What's up with your face?
don't do that.
Yuck.
Si Karim din.
Hi, Kiha. You also wear haircut too?
Karin, Albero, bakit iyan? Pang kitchen yan. Hoy, hindi ito.
Picturean mo muna yung pinakamahabang buhok.
Karim, will you get the scissors? Hindi yan. You tell.
Why are you so sweaty?
Ito, Albero, you get the other one, the fine. The fine.
This one ba the pang
Oh, ano, George. We're gonna cut your hair na, Arkin, ha? It's your first haircut, yeah? Pangit naman. What's up naman with your scissors?
May mga naiwan na hair.
Sheesh.
May mga naiwan.
With the guns, y'all.
Hindi na makakatch
Loading some shades.
Picturean muna natin yung kahaba niya.
Okay, sure.
Go before and after.
Before and after.
Sana yung nakalugay.
Oo nga, nakalugay. Tita.
Hindi mukha siyang bruha.
Hindi, para
I think my
Will picture daw before.
condolences,
alas na nga eh.
Sige, sige.
blood.
Okay.
The lens is blood.
Video na. Goodbye na sa kanyang hair. Goodbye na. Oh no! Para ka naman buhay naman na pupunta yung
Kasi nag-break eh.
I will go back.
Yeah, it will grow back soon, correct.
Hindi nag-break.
That's just hair.
It's going to go back, baby. It's for your own good.
No fighting, you're so gulo again there. Just keep still. Diba I taught you na how if you're in the barber.
He does not
Dapat
like
you're not
anyone
moving.
touches his hair.
Remember, si Edward Scissorhands like
And it's a hair dryer.
Yeah. But when you go to the barber shop, Arkin, they're going to fix your hair because Lola will just cut it, but you have to.
I won't move.
Yeah, you won't move. You focus. You look at the mirror. Yes. They have a big mirror in the barber shop. Very big mirror. You can see yourself there, and you can see what they are doing there. Okay. And do not move, kasi you know this is very sharp. Baka they will cut your hair, your ear. Okay.
Move a little.
Ma, namudol sa amot na ita.
Hindi.
Ito
Very
na lang,
sharp
tita,
yan.
mas okay yata. Mas
Hindi,
malaki.
pang kitchen knife yan.
Wala ko bang kanya?
Nakakatawa naman kayo. Kitchen knife yan.
Anong klaseng asin? Pang kitchen knife yan.
Kitchen knife yan. Okay.
Do not cut his bangs, ah.
Huwag yung bangs.
No,
Don't
never
cut his
mind.
bangs.
Just this. So
Sakto
that,
pagupit na natin sa SM.
kasi lagi kayong plano ng plano, hindi natutuloy. Okay, now are you all ready? We
Wait lang,
will.
wait lang. Tita. Okay.
Oh, I'm scared of fighting.
Hindi yan uubra. Kapal-kapal niyan eh.
Okay.
Who said so? I'm the one doing it, Arvid. When I said I am going to do, I am going to do it.
Hello, split ends.
Oh, I can keep his hair.
I'm
He will use
already
it.
not scared.
You're already not scared? You're a big boy na. You're about to turn 5 na kasi. Just a couple of months na lang.
Yes, he's 4. Akala ko he's 5 years old na.
He's gonna go 5 na.
Yeah, I'm 7 now.
You're 7 now, Kiha?
Yeah,
Okay. Ta-da! Picture. Oh. Smile, smile, smile. Why are you not smiling?
You feel your, oh, you feel your hair.
You know? You're
Feel
going
your
to-
hair.
I'm going to yeah, sure.
Oh, you feel it.
Feels like my own hair.
Feels like your own hair. Yeah, that's your own hair.
Make a wig out of
Smell your hair. Smell your hair.
I smell your hair.
Wala na siyang boy.
Wait.
No picture.
No picture. It's not a picture naman. It's a video.
Okay, now stop moving.
No, no, no.
No more? Oh, you comb your hair first.
Lola.
Yeah, I know. It will be cut.
We will trim. We will trim.
Yes,
That is going. You'll go. I can.
We'll trim you first.
Hindi, parang naka-layer. Naka-layer naman na yun.
Layered.
Parang girl.
No, Kadi, not look like girl. They're just joking you.
You're guwapo.
mamaya will cut lang.
Ipakat mo siya.
Nice na that, like that na that.
No.
You look at yourself first. You wanna see yourself? Come, let's go to the mirror.
Ganda nga yung short
Go to the mirror first. Come on, let's go. Come on, come on.
I'm coming with you, okay?
Let's go to the mirror.
Wait for me.
I'll wait for you. Go here. Hey, where you going?
See you in the middle.
Nice your hair. Ooh, nice.
Kind of different.
Guwaping ah. You look kind of different.
Ipagupit natin.
Hindi, iligo muna yan. Hindi, dapat maligo muna.
Hindi, ipagupit nyo na kasi.
Hindi. What, haircut na to the barber? They'll shampoo you? Don't do that to my